What's up guys, it's Pepper. In this video I will show you guys 3 different ideas of how to decorate your notebooks. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of dreading on making this video because I don't always want to be reminded that I have to go back to school eventually. But the other day I went school supply shopping and my Walmart had absolutely no cute notebooks. Which was kind of shocking because all you see on the internet right now is cute stationery. So to fix my problem, I went and bought some cheap notebooks. So my first notebook idea is super easy to make and it turns out so cute. I'm using painter's tape to section one part of the notebook off, which I'm then painting a solid color. You want to peel off the tape before everything dries, and I find peeling the tape off very satisfying. I'm then taping the pink side off, and I'm creating another triangle on the bottom of the notebook. I decided to paint this bottom one a very minty blue. Lastly, I'm taping off the blue and the pink so that I have nice clean edges, and then I am painting what's left black. Let me know in the comments what grade you guys are going into this year. I am going into my last high school year and I'm very excited. It's a really weird feeling when you know that you're going to have your last first day of school. And then once you're done painting, peel off the tape and look at those nice clean edges. Ooh, they just give me those tingles. I don't know what that was, but it was really cringy. To make the notebook a little bit more interesting, I am gluing some gold ribbon onto the edges. To make this job easier, you can just find some sort of washi tape to use instead, but I had to improvise. And lastly, I cover the whole notebook in some Mod Podge. And so here is the finished notebook. This is by far my most favorite notebook I ever made. So for my second notebook idea, I am at first covering the whole entire notebook in some white paint. And this took quite a few layers because the paint first turns out really streaky and really patchy. Also, if you guys want to see random updates on my videos, go follow me on my Instagram, pepper_p.g.p. I'm again using some painter's tape to create some stripes, and then I'm painting those blue. I'm wondering how many of you guys are actually excited to go back to school, so answer the poll in the iCard. So off camera, I drew a picture of an anchor using a pencil, and now I am just painting it all in with some red paint, and this took about 3 coats. I bought these really cute stickers at my local dollar store, and I'm spelling out the word notes on the bottom, but you of course can write whatever word your heart desires. You can even spell the word chair on your notebook, and when people ask you why it says chair, you tell them because I chair about places we sit. Oh man, this video just reached a whole new level of cringe. For my third notebook, I'm creating an ombre effect with 3 different colors. I'm not gonna lie, creating this ombre effect was actually really hard, and my biggest suggestion is that you should paint horizontal stripes aside from vertical stripes, which is what I'm doing currently. Another suggestion will be to start with the lighter colors. It becomes way easier. Also, like I said in the beginning of the video, these are just ideas of how to decorate your notebooks. You can modify these however you like. You can create your own thing, and who knows what you can come up with. Once everything was dry, I added these confetti stars that I found at the dollar store. I'm just dispersing them on the bottom of the notebook and gradually working up. I then used a glue stick to glue every single star onto my notebook, but you can use hot glue. I also decided to write the word notes at the top of this notebook. I bought these stickers at the dollar store, and you won't believe the struggle I went through trying to peel them off the paper. They're like stuck on there for good. If someone does end up writing the word chair on their notebook, can you please send me a picture of it? To finish everything off, I also gave this a layer of Mod Podge, and there you have a really cute notebook. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.